guys, we are on our way, as in Max and I are on our way to the Peak District to go camping this weekend with his brother and his brother's girlfriend Lauren. So yeah, Luke, Lauren, me, Max, camping weekend in the Peak District. We've taken Friday off. It's going to be about a 4-hour drive. We're stuck in a bit of traffic, and I guess we'll talk to you when we're there, but we're really looking forward to it, aren't we?
Yep.
We are officially campers. We stayed in the tent last night, and it was so lovely because it was just like rain hitting the tent, which is like so, you know, good for ambiance. What else? We met Luke and Lauren. We went straight out, did the classic, went to Wetherspoons, had a few beers, played some cards, and had somewhat of an early night. And now today we're going to go and prepare for a lovely 2-hour hike. So I guess I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye! These are our coffees. I've got a latte in a lovely blue cup. That's got a nice little flat white. I got 2 biscuits and Max ain't got anything, unfortunately, but you don't really like biscuits, do you? So that's fine.
Oh my god, I'm collapsing.
Luke and Lauren, we're coming for you. Oh, I've just caught you eating Lauren's chocolate on camera.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Sorry, Lauren, you're not getting that. That's going to disappear by the time we get back. But we're coming for you, lads. We've just started. You already eaten it. We're smashing it. We've got quite far in little time.
Yeah, doing very well. Nice.
Nice.
Let's do more.
So we did it. High five.
5 miles in.
5 miles in. We're just walking back to the car on this lovely, lovely road. But yeah, it was very, very lovely. What was this route called, Max?
This was the Stanage and Bamford Edge Circuit.
And it was lovely. It had amazing views. A lot of inclines and what's the other word? Declines. And my knees and my joints were a bit sore, but it was all worth it. I think we'll go back, chill out, have an ice cream. I fancy fruity cider, and then we're gonna grab some dinner and maybe get some cocktails or something. Dream team. Oh, you're really pretty. We're all packed up. It's happening. That actually wasn't as painful as I thought it was going to be. But we do have to put that bad boy down. So that's going to be interesting. But yeah, it's almost 10 in the morning, I think. I've done a pretty good job. You need a coffee, don't you, Max, after...
I bloody well do.
Oh. Thank you for confirming that so quickly.
Yeah, I do though.
No, coffee is needed this morning, especially with the mammoth task of putting that tent down, which is actually kind of hilarious for me to say because we're not doing that yet. Luke and Lauren
I
are.
think we're about to.
Yeah.
The pain is just about to begin.
It begins. It's a tent vineyard. Get it, Max? Get it? Complete it, mate. We are now off to Bakewell. Cattle grids. We are now off to Bakewell and we're going to get a little something to eat. And then it's a long journey home. Oh my god. That's so elegant. Oh! Max. Yay! Yes, please. Whoa! Yeah, well, the sauce is nice. Thank you. I have the best boyfriend in the world. He is making sure he's passenger princess. Feels like a queen, actually. It's bloody lovely, look. Princess treatment. A fluffy pillow. I love this man so much.
How's that?
Oh, that's good. Thank you. I love you. It's hard. It's a hard life being me. Oh. He's just the best. That is divine, Max.
Yeah.
This fell on my lap. It fell on my lap. Wee, wee, mummy's home, mummy's home, wee. Love you.